Welcome back to Cars Jade. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting segments in the auto industry. The best SUVs for off-roading in 2025. Whether you're an adventurer seeking untamed trails or simply love the rugged appeal of an off-road ready SUV, this list is for you. Off-roading has never been more accessible, with automakers rolling out cutting-edge technology and performance enhancements to dominate any terrain. So, if you're looking for the perfect ride to fuel your outdoor escapades, keep watching as we break down the top 5 SUVs that will conquer 2025's toughest trails. Let's get started. Number 5. 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor. The beast of the wild, the Ford Bronco Raptor is not just an off-road SUV, it's a statement. Under the hood, this powerhouse boasts a twin-turbocharged 3.0L EcoBoost V6 pushing out 418 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers serious power to all 4 wheels, making rough terrains feel like a walk in the park. Ford has equipped it with 37-inch all-terrain tires, Fox racing shocks, and an advanced terrain management system, ensuring it remains king of the dirt. Inside, the Bronco Raptor balances ruggedness with comfort, featuring marine-grade vinyl seating, a 12-inch NC4 infotainment system, and premium B&O audio for the perfect mix of adventure and luxury. Pricing starts around $90,000, which isn't cheap, but for off-road enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Number 4. 2025 Land Rover Defender 130. Luxury meets off-road mastery. If you're looking for an SUV that effortlessly combines British luxury with hardcore off-roading prowess, the Land Rover Defender 130 is the one to beat. With a 3.0L inline-6 turbocharged mild hybrid engine delivering 395 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque, this beast offers power with efficiency. The full-time all-wheel drive system, electronic air suspension, and terrain response 2 system make tackling rocks, rivers, and sand dunes a seamless experience. Inside, you're met with premium leather seating, a high-tech 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, and advanced driver assists. The Defender 130 is also one of the most practical on this list, thanks to 3 rows of seating. Ideal for adventurers who need to bring the whole crew. Pricing starts at around $85,000. Making it a luxurious yet capable choice. Number 3. 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. The V8 Thunderstorm Jeep fans, rejoice! The Wrangler Rubicon 392 returns in 2025 with its earth-shaking 6.4L Hemi V8 engine, pushing 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, a rarity in today's era of downsizing. This Jeep is built to dominate off-road trails, with 33-inch all-terrain tires, front and rear locking differentials, and an electronically disconnecting sway bar for extreme articulation. The Rubicon 392's trail-rated capability ensures it can tackle water crossings, steep inclines, and deep mud with ease. Inside, the 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system, leather-trimmed seats, and an Alpine premium sound system provide modern comforts in a rugged package. At $85,000 plus, it's pricey, but for those who want pure power in an off-road machine, it's hard to beat. Number 2. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The off-road legend returns. Toyota's Land Cruiser is back in North America, and it's better than ever. Powered by a 2.4L turbocharged hybrid iForce Max engine producing 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque, this SUV maintains its legendary reliability while embracing fuel efficiency and cutting-edge tech. Built on the TNGA-F platform, it features a full-time 4-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and a multi-terrain select system for optimal traction on any surface. Inside, you get a no-nonsense yet premium design, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The best part? Starting at around $55,000, it's one of the most affordable options on this list. Number 1. 2025 GMC Hummer EV. The off-road revolution topping our list is the GMC Hummer EV SUV, a groundbreaking electric off-roader that proves EVs can dominate the trails. Powered by up to 3 electric motors producing 830 horsepower and a mind-blowing 11,500 lb-ft of torque, this beast accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. But its real magic lies in its crabwalk mode, extract mode, which lifts the suspension by 6 inches, and adaptive air suspension, making it one of the most advanced off-roaders ever built. With an estimated range of up to 300 miles per charge, you won't be left stranded in the wild. At $110,000 plus, it's expensive, but it redefines what an off-road SUV can be. Every SUV on this list is a formidable off-road warrior, but your perfect choice depends on your needs. If you crave raw power, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is unbeatable. For those who love luxury with capability, the Land Rover Defender 130 is a dream come true. If you're looking for a balance of affordability, reliability, and ruggedness, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the smart pick. But if you want to experience the future of off-roading, the GMC Hummer EV SUV is the ultimate choice. Which SUV would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Cars Jade. See you in the next one.